rev up your engines. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a very annoying problem that happens all the time. You can't get under your hood because the hood latch is broken. Well, the first thing I do is put on gloves, because when you're dealing with these cable systems, a lot of times they get frayed. There's pieces of frayed cable lying around. You can easily cut yourself, so protect your hands first. But when you pull on a stupid lever and it doesn't open, you know, you can't get in without fixing something. Then remove the plastic crap on the side, take out the bolt on the top and the bolt on the bottom. We'll just remove both of these. Then the whole thing comes off and you can see the cable right here. And you can twist the cable with your hand and it comes right out of the hole. And now you can pull on this. But it still won't open. And if that didn't work, and in this case it didn't, we'll get a pair of vice grip pliers and stick that on the end of the cable. Get the cable out. Snap it on nice and tight, and then pull like mad. Well, that didn't work, so now we need another person. One person to pull on the cable, and another one to beat on the hood. So here we go. Pull as hard as you can. Well, we tried. A lot of times it'll work, but it won't open. I'm assuming the cable's completely broken off of the latch. So now we got to get to the latch. Either that or give up. Now when we look inside, we can see that there's a cover over the latch. That little round dot is one of those plastic clips. So we got to pry them off. So we get a giant screwdriver and stick it in there. Here we go. We'll wedge it in and try to snap it off. Well, that didn't work, so we'll get a hammer and give it a few whacks. Here we go. It worked. There's the cover, and there it is. You can see the cable, and you can see the latch, which we're going to force open. Screwdriver again, and we'll force it behind the latch. There it is, behind the latch, and look at that. We got inside. Now that shows that the latch itself is okay, but the cable assembly that feeds it is broken inside somewhere, so we have to replace that. Now I'll take off the front of this plastic cover so you can see the latch better. On bolt, we'll just pull it off. We don't have to pull the whole thing off, just enough to get room to unbolt the latch assembly. Then when we finish, there's the latch. And if you're confused to see how to open it when I was filming, this is the part that we grabbed with the screwdriver and pulled out. When you pull this part out, it unlatches it. Then the cable itself is easy to get out. You just pinch it a little, comes out of the hole. Then there's a nub and we squeeze it and it comes out. Just pinch the inside and it comes right off. There's the cable. And once we've connected it from under the hood, we can just pull it out from the inside. And there's the whole stinking broken cable assembly. And then we get the new cable assembly and fish it back from the inside under the hood. And here's a trick if it's hard to get it through the hole. I'm using this long dowel rod and some Gorilla tape. You stick it in from under the hood through the hole, then you can tape the end of the cable to this and pull it through. As you can see, I fished the rod through the hole here that goes into the firewall, into the vehicle. Then go inside the vehicle and tape the end of the cable to that little rod. Then when you pull the rod out, there's the cable. Then the cable's pretty easy. You just flip the latch up. The cable slips in here. Then you stick the end on and snap it in place, like that. Then you get the latch. Remember, one side had 2 and one side had 1, so it goes this way. Put it in place and put the 3 bolts in. Make sure you get them nice and tight. Then snap the plastic cover back on and put the 2 bolts in so it doesn't slip off. Remember to do both sides. Then get the handle and bolt it on the inside. And snap the plastic cover back on. And here comes the moment of truth. We'll close the hood and see if it opens. We'll go in here and pull on it. Made a noise. And voila. It works now. So the next time your hood opener won't work and you can't get under the hood of your vehicle, don't get mad. Fix it yourself. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.